welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see, we're making a delicious meal today. Gizdodo. It simply means gizzard and dodo, like ripe plantain. It's very simple to make. I know you will love to try it. So guys, I'll be showing you the things I'll be using. I'm making use of gizzard, ripe plantain, making use of carrots, making use of tomato, red bell pepper, making use of green beans, making use of green pepper. I'll be using onions. I'll be using vegetable oil, then my seasonings. Guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to blend my tomato, my pepper and my onions. Guys, the blending will not be too smooth. I will make it rough, like you will see the way I will do it, because I'll be using it for sauce. And it doesn't need to be over smooth. It doesn't need to be smooth and short. So it's the sauce I'll be using for my Gizdodo. So guys, I'm washing my gizzard with salt. Make sure you wash it very well before cooking. My ginger and garlic, as usual. I don't like putting it like that. I will have to blend it and sieve it with little water. It's the water that I'll be using for my meat. My seasoning, I'll be using curry powder, I'll be using thyme, I'll be using Maggi, I'll be using onions, I'll be using salt, I'll be using mevina. I love mevina. I don't know about you, so that is what I'll be using to season my meat. That is my vegetables. I will cut them now and set them aside. After that, I will cut my plantain and set it aside as well. Then my gizzard has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. I believe it's okay. So after cutting my plantain, I will have to cut my gizzard into smaller parts, not too small, into smaller parts, but it will be bigger than my plantain. So after that, I will start cooking. So sit back and keep watching. It's just a very simple recipe that you will love. Guys, I'm done cutting my plantain. So the next thing to do is to fry my plantain. After that, I will cut my gizzard and fry it in the same oil I used to fry my plantain. So guys, that's my gizzard. I'm cutting it now as I'm frying my guys. My dodo is ready, as you can see. So I'll bring it out, I'll bring the dodo out, and then I'll use the same oil to fry my gizzard. Guys, that is my gizzard. It's okay. As you can see, it's okay. So the next thing to do is my pepper sauce. I'll still be using the same oil because the oil is still in the way that you can see. So I'll be using the same oil to do my pepper sauce. That's my tomato and pepper and the onions I blended. So I'll allow it to fry for about, let's say, 10 minutes to 15 minutes before adding other things. So guys, that is our tomato. As you can see, it's now okay. So I'll be adding my gizzard. Now. So after about 5 minutes of adding my gizzard, I will be adding the stock, the meat stock. So guys, this meat stock, as you know that I seasoned it. So when I add, I will test the salt to know if it's okay. So it's left for you. If you want to add more seasonings, you are free to add. But when I tested mine, I think it's okay. So I'm not adding any other thing because mine is okay. The meat stock covered everything. So after that, I've added the meat stock. So I'll cook for like 3 minutes before adding my vegetables. So the vegetables I will equally cook for like 3 minutes before adding my dodo, my plantain. So that's it. You see me doing it. It's just a very simple, as you can see. I'm almost done with my Gizdodo. I'm adding my vegetables. So after adding, I will just cook. I will just fry for like 3 minutes or even less because I don't want my vegetables to be soft before adding my dodo. So once I add my dodo, I will mix very well and bring it down. That is what we call Gizdodo. So guys, I'll be eating this with rice. I'll be eating it with rice. See my rice? You can see it with my rice. I'm eating it with rice. So I've added my dodo. I will just mix all together and bring it down. And wow, that's our Gizdodo. You can eat it with rice, with yam, with pastries, anything you want to eat it with. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.